These are the SK 8-inch mini bolt cutters. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. It arrived safe. Nice little packaging here. They measure, wait for it, 8 inches long, and they weigh in at about 3/4 pounds. They feel really lightweight and easy to handle, but they also feel very sturdy. The handles feature an anti-slip grip. It's notched out. It's some kind of rubbery polypropylene material, I guess. They feel really comfortable to me, and they got a little slot right here for hanging them up if you want to do that. If you have them wide open, they're great for my larger hands, and there's definitely enough room to get a second hand on here if you need to get something started. They are constructed from dropped forged chromium vanadium steel with hardened edges at a Rockwell hardness of 58 to 65. The recessed jaw design gives you the leverage you need when you're cutting the smaller items and types of materials that this thing is built to tackle, like copper, aluminum, soft iron wire, cables, small screws, thin bolts, stuff like that. Feels really smooth when I open and close, and you can see how wide the jaws open here on the ruler. The edges line up well for clean contact. The grip feels great. It stays secure without slipping during the cuts. So there you go. Something like this would be great for DIY projects around the home, yard maintenance tasks, small repair jobs in the workshop or on the job site, all kinds of stuff. Very nice.